Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Don't we all love some hot pakoras along with our evening cup of tea, especially during the rainy season? So today I'm going to show you the recipe of a chicken pakoda. So these are some delicious chicken pakoras that you can make for your evening tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications. For making the chicken pakoras, if you get chicken thigh pieces, those work best because they tend to be juicier and retain that moistness even after the deep frying. So let's first make the batter for these chicken pakoras. And while you start making the batter, make sure you keep your oil for heating as well. Into a bowl, add some ginger garlic paste, finely chopped green chilies, Kashmiri Chili Powder, Turmeric Powder, Coriander Powder, Cumin Powder, Garam Masala Powder, black pepper, some Kasuri Methi, finely chopped coriander leaves, salt as per your taste, and some lemon juice. Mix this all properly. And then to this, let's add the cut chicken pieces. Mix this well and keep this aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's lightly beat an egg for the marinade. Into the marinated chicken, add the beaten egg along with some gram flour and rice flour. Mix this all up properly. The batter for the chicken pakoda is ready and the chicken has marinated well as well. So let's now start frying this in some hot oil. Fry this on medium heat till the chicken is cooked through and the outer cover starts changing color. You can remove it from the hot oil once done and let it drain on a tissue paper to remove all that excess oil. Hot chicken pakoras are ready to be served with some mint chutney or ketchup. So I hope you enjoy making this during this rainy season.